electricity. I really like how it self-regulates and I can just set it to a temperature and it'll pop on and off.
The installation process was really quick and efficient. I think the team was on site working for, I would say, less than 4 hours.
I figured out that I could reduce my carbon footprint from heating the house to about 13% of the carbon that I'm using now with the furnace. The total rebates that I got for installing the heat pump system was $13,000, which was pretty significant.